Do you love your daddy, na? Where do you wanna go?
To the museum.
Museum. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa ating channel. Happy Sunday everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa kitchen because ayan, pumasok ko sa kitchen guys, tapos may water na nagbo-boil dito. Nakalimutan pala ni Daddy Mike na magluluto siya ng eggs. Ayan. Sabi niya, maglagay daw ako ng 6 na itlog. Mag-boil ng itlog. So, it's currently 1 o'clock na yata ngayon. Ang ating family ay nasa lunchroom. As you can hear, nanonood kami ng interview ni Karen Davila kay Heart tsaka kay Cheese. And as you can see guys, nakabihis tayo ngayon because today is Father's Day dito sa Australia. And since lockdown tayo guys, so hindi talaga tayo makakapunta ng malayo or makakakain sa mga restaurant or you know, like way of celebrating Father's Day. So yung gagawin namin, I think we're gonna go for a walk na lang kasi that's all we can do right now. But may cafe naman doon, so maybe we'll just grab something to eat or drink. Pero hindi talaga makakaupo doon guys. We can just get takeaway. Yun lang. Anyways, we'll see what they're doing in there.
You will be regretful the rest of your life, and it will affect me too. So,
Where is the cow? I'll just step it for a little bit because it's very loud. Oh, it's so dark. Hello. Hello, the little girl's sleeping. What is it, na? Say hi, Zoe. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Let's show them your dress, B. Show them your dress. Oh, let's go down there. Oh, we'll show you your outfit.
No.
Look, be a Barbie. Come on.
No.
But they would like to see it. No. Come on. No, not the girl. Dili na lang to sa atong baby girl. Dili na lang to sa atong baby girl. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. We just cut her nails. Habang natutulog siya, tinahawakan siya ng kanyang daddy. Alam nyo guys, ang sarap sa feeling na makapagbihis ka. Yung hindi lang pang bahay yung suot mo. It makes you feel good, diba? Ayan, kahit na lang, hilamos lang. Hindi na ako nag-makeup. Naglagay lang ako ng ang tawag dito, ng eyebrow. Para naman, kasi kilay is life. Pero, lang, cream lang yung sa mukha, like moisturizer, just makes you feel like you're human again. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit namin ni Baby Paris. Hello, sweetheart. Why are you soaking, nak? Be, we'll show tita and tito our outfit. Be, sure, machi-machi kami ni Baby Paris, so that's Mommy's outfit. Ayan, so naka-dress si Mommy niyo today. And then, naka-white, white sneakers. Ayan. Oh, tapos si Ate Paris, tinanggal mo yung sapatos mo, nak. Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? She took off her shoes. But yeah, she's got white shoes as well. Tapos ganyan din yung kulay ng kanyang dress. I love your dress, honey. Ayan. So, machi-machi kami. Brown. Nak, no? But yeah, alam niyo yun guys, yung feeling na yun. Anyways. So, yung ginawa ko guys. So, last week, nag-order pala ako ng ng parang Father's Day na ayokong yung boses ko, baka marinig ako ng Dad Mike. Nag-order ako ng basta cookies. Cookies siya guys. Galing online siya, kasi nga 'di ba wala nga kami magagawa guys kasi hanggang ngayon lockdown pa rin kami. So I was thinking about like an alternative para naman masurpresa pa rin namin si Daddy Mike kahit na lockdown, 'di ba? So, yun, i-deliver daw very soon. Kaya gusto na ni Daddy Mike na umalis ngayon. Ayokong umalis muna kasi darating yung magdi-deliver nung binili ko. Kaya yun, kaya dito muna kami. Patagal-tagalin ko muna hanggang dumating iyon. Pero si Daddy Mike ay atat na lumabas kasi nga, 'di ba? Alam niyo na yan siya. And kanina pala, guys. Hello? Oh, you got your shoes now. Good job. Kanina pala umaga, guys, kaya tayo nakapagbihis at nakapaghilamos at nagmukhang tao kasi Daddy Mike took baby Celine out for a walk. At medyo natagal-tagal sila, guys. Like, Daddy Mike just took her, like, for a spin around the area, the block, doon. So, ayun, time tayo na tingnan nyo. Nagbihisan ko si Paris, I did her hair, and then, nagpa-freshen up naman konti. Here's a princess. Here's a princess. I-change lang natin yung natin niya before tayo umalis. Alam niyo, umiyak na naman to siya. Kagabi. Hindi siya magpa-lapag. Siya, hinawakan ko na lang siya. Hindi na ako natulog. Na siguro kami natulog ulit. Ako pala. Mga 5 o'clock, ganun. From 1 o'clock. So, ilang oras din na hindi nakatulog si mami niyo. But that's okay. Tapos, dinala siya ni Daddy Mike, nag-walking. Umiyak pa rin siya, guys, pero at least, si Daddy Mike ay very kalmado naman yan siya. Hindi siya nagpapadala. Careful, anak, you might hit her head. Relax na relax yan siya. Kaya, ito siya, nakatulog siya sa pram. Careful, anak, ha. Magina siya, makiduot ba? Do you love your daddy, na? What did you say to daddy this morning? Say happy?
Happy Father's Day.
Just say it to daddy now.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy, Mommy.
Mommy.
Let's go, Mama.
We're still cooking the egg.
No. I can turn it off.
Tuk, huh?
It's alright. I'll turn it off.
I'll change your nappy. So, ayan na, oh. Nagpakuha na siya. Pose na, babe. Barbie pose. Gubutan na sa imong buhok, nak. Oy. Nak, your hair is everywhere na, nak. Mura ka gilayog. Shush! No, oh. Mura ka gilayog, ha?
Ayo, you got Barbie.
Okay, move there a little bit.
Over there. Mama's running. Try again.
Change natin ang kanyang natin. Parcel Collect, you take care there, nak, ha? Ay, shush! Ay, naman siyang pulungkoy.
My baby's
Ito ko talagang gisingin niyang siya, guys. Kapag ganyan, ang himbing ng kanyang tulog pa. Kailangan na-change ang kanyang napi kasi aalis. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang buhok, guys. Tumupo na. Ayan na, umiyak na na. Sabi ko na nga ba? Na-feel niya na nalapag na siya ba? Sa isip niya, hindi naman to arms ng daddy or mommy ko. Ayaw niya talagang magpalapag, guys. Grabe. Kasi mami niyo ay zombie mode. But the other night, she was actually cool. Nakatulog siya ng kagabi, medyo siya. It's okay. Don't cry, my love.
It's okay.
See, it's okay daw. Oh, iman sa Ate Paris, ah.
It's okay, it's okay.
Tell her it's okay na.
It's okay.
Sinuotan ko siya ng ganito, guys. Yung medyo makapal yung tela ba. Kasi nga, diba maglalakad kami. So, even though nasa siya. Nasa pram siya. Ayan. You have to make sure na warm talaga siya. Bakit tumidilim? Bakit tumidilim? Ayan siya, oh. Pagising-gising, iyak-iyak. Good girl. Tapos, si ate pala na magdi-deliver ng ating in-order is, nag-message siya, sabi niya, she's only 10 minutes away. So, yun. Medyo patagal-tagal si Daddy Mike. Sobra na talaga, alis na tayo. Last year, the same pa rin. Father's Day, lockdown. Grabe, walang katapos ang lockdown to ba? No? Honey, would you like to change this jacket? Because we're going for a walk and it's going to be cold.
Okay. I just want to go to the car.
Yes. Yeah, we will go to the car, but then we'll go out for a walk. Mama, well, we're the same. So we're twinings. Have a look.
Why do you like Rella? I don't like Rella.
No, you don't.
I don't like Rella with this jacket.
Try this. Come, let's show Tita dito. So here's... Nakakala! Here's your outfit. Whoa! Twinings! Ayan, spring na daw pero sobrang ginaw pa rin, guys. I think it's maximum 14 degrees today. So, ayan, tingnan nyo kami ni Baby Paris. Ate Paris pala. At ito siya, lagyan natin ng hat. It's okay, my love. It's okay, my love. Hala, alis na si Daddy mo. Hindi pa dumating. Tagal naman yun. Uy, sabi niya 10 minutes. Ano no? Wala pa rin. Dumarating. Do. I'll put this one, anak. We'll put the hat on. Patagal-tagalin pa muna natin kasi hindi pa dumating ang ating hinintay. Or maybe that's her na. At gusto na umalis ang ating Daddy. Rockabye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. Cradle and all. Oh, shh. No. Hi, Tita. I'm crying ba na, Tita? Oh, she's sleepy. Sleepy. She's here now. She's here. Paris, Nicole? Bob? Can you get the door quickly? Can you get the door quickly?
The door?
The door. Someone's in the door.
Can't get it, huh? Thank you. What's this? Thanks. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Shoot the Daddy. Say, Happy Father. Give it to Daddy here now. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Give it to Daddy. Say Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
And that's the pink one there.
Say
Am I gonna
Happy
kiss?
Father's
Where's my
Day,
kiss?
Daddy.
Hey, what is you eat some?
Not crying. Sure.
So yeah.
Come look up. You wanna come up?
I just want to
There you go.
eat some.
Open it.
What does it say? What does it say,
Hey, Paris.
What does it say, Anna?
It's a pie.
Say this writing.
Best dad ever. Love you.
I want.
Happy Father's Day. Love Mama, Paris, and Celine.
Yeah. Tignan niyo guys. Oh, super cute.
Paris, thank you for asking if I could like that one.
The love.
Very nice.
Mama. Mars. Oh. Anak, that's daddy's not used to us.
Put it there.
Okay.
I want
So I can take a photo. Like this.
it. It tastes yum.
Hold that one. Open it there. Show Celine. Watch out, man, take a photo. There you go. Thank you. You can get your pink one
Take a
back.
photo with Paris in the background.
Dad can give some now.
Oh wow.
I got
Lucky girl.
Let's go. We'll take it with us.
Okay.
Now,
Alright.
let's go to the car now.
Let's go to the
Ladies again, blah, blah, blah.
Ayun na nga. Buti na lang. Umabot. Dito na kami sa sasakyan. I'll give this to her, please, Daddy. She hasn't been drinking
Water.
Okay.
All of it. Lots of water.
Good girl.
Because
Ating baby girl. Andun isa, oh. Alas na tayo habang hindi pa umiiyak. Yummy water? Are you excited? As if naman papunta kami ng SeaWorld or something. Alright, alis na tayo guys. See you later! Super lucky! Guys, hindi siya umiyak. Careful anak, hold mommy's hand. Hindi umiyak ang ating baby girl nung pag-transfer natin sa kanya sa pram. Careful, Bob. Carry.
Yes, I want to go to the baby museum.
Where are you going now?
To the museum.
Museum.
Not my museum. Museum.
Museum.
Museum.
Museum. Diyan kami na cafe. Pupunta. Just get hot drinks. I think gusto ko sanang
I want to go to the
iced chocolate, but forget about it. Too cold for it.
Museum.
Museum. Tingnan niyo ang museum ni Paris, guys. Nak, sabi, tingnan na.
Museum.
Where do you wanna go?
To the museum. Museum.
Museum.
I want to go to the museum.
Museum. Always sila busy dito kahit anak. So wait, anak. Here, oh. Stay here behind. It's too cold. Tingnan niyo. Kita niyo ba, guys? Ano? Ano?
I'm gonna keep walking.
Yeah, it's better. Ayan, she's making a noise na. Huwag kasi ihinto.
Come on, let's go to the museum.
Where's the museum? Where's the museum? Careful, anak. Nawala na si Daddy Mike. Ayun, nilakad ng mabilisan si Baby Celine para tumahan. But there's no museum here, nak.
No, like a museum.
Yeah. I don't think the museum is open, sweetheart, because of the COVID.
Museum.
Gusto niya talagang pumunta ng museum, guys. Grabe. Ang pagkagusto niya. Diyan namin pinark yung sasakyan, 2 hours. Ay, dyan na pa si Daddy Mike.
Mommy, what's Daddy doing?
Baby Celine is crying. Tingnan niyo, Ayaw niyang magpalagay sa pram. Ayaw tumahan. Ang tatay niya. Happy Father's Day.
That's Mommy's turn.
Yes, honey, we're gonna go to the park soon. You have to wait for a little bit. Is that okay? No? Okay, you go to the park yourself then.
No, I want Mommy and Daddy.
I know, that's why. I don't want to go by myself. I want to go with you as well. So you have to wait.
So I want you to come.
Now have a look. Oh, baby Celine's gonna cry. We're just going to console baby Celine quickly, okay? And we'll put her in the pram again. And then we can go to the park for a walk, okay? Does Ate Paris understand? Thank you. Dito pa aming mahakape. Very ano siya dyan, sa kanyang tatay.
Get the blanket. Get the blanket for us to sit down.
Kinain na niya ang cookies. Let me have a look at your cookie, nak. What does it say, baby? Ay, nakinain naman dahil. Sabi dyan before, best dad ever. You ate it.
Get the blankets.
What is it? Nabalok na ka? Water. Water. Can you hear the frog?
I just want to see you, Mommy. I just want to see you.
I can only hear it. I can't see it. So, lots of bikes, no?
Bye.
We have to stay in our lane, okay? We have to find it, Baba. That's why we're walking.
Tashiya, Baba. Can you believe I ran from our place to the city on this road?
Daddy and Ate Paris will stay there for a little bit, guys, kasi gusto ni Ate Paris na maglaro sa park. But this one, we have to keep moving. So, ayan, babalik na lang kami. Bye-bye, honey!
When you get to the end, come back.
Yeah. Enjoy! Alam nyo ba, guys? Oh my goodness. So, ito siya. Sobrang iyak-iyak. Sobrang iyak-iyak niya. Kailangan namin mag-stop. Pinadedit ko siya sa sa gilid ng daan ba. Tapos ngayon lang siya nag-settle ng ganyan. Ayan. Pero kanina, grabe yung iyak niya. So we'll just keep her moving. First time ko pala dito. Never been here before. Si Daddy Mike always na. Kasi alam niyo naman ang ating Daddy Mike always walking. Alam niyo, sa kakamadali kanina kasi umiiyak na nga siya. Yung kape ni Daddy Mike, he spilled it there. Laban namin yan ng mamaya para hindi siya mag-stain. Nice. Sobrang ganda, guys. Very relaxing maglakad dito pag walang batang umiiyak.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 4 o'clock. Hindi pala. It's 3:54. Ayan. Si Daddy Mike ay nandoon. Nandito kami ngayon sa 7-Eleven, no? Kakaalis lang namin doon sa aming walking kasi it started to rain. And I wanted a Slurpee. At ang dalawa nating bulilit ay ayan na siya. She's very tired. She's been running and walking. Ang isa ay ayan, making noise na. Oh, be quick, Daddy Mike. Be quick. Oh my God, na-stress kami bigla, guys. Oy, baby Celine crying in the middle of walking. My goodness. Anyways, imbis na doon kami kakain ito, upo sana kami doon tapos doon kakainin. Habang naglalakad na lang, doon na kinain. Slowly. So, ayan. At ito yung nakalagay. Ito yung pinalagay. Love, Mama, Paris, and Celine. Masarap, guys. Sobrang sarap. And you know what? Yung gumawa nito, hindi talaga malaking business. So, parang lang ba? Yung mga small business. Kaya nga sabi niya, thank you for supporting my small business. Especially ngayon, na pandemic, like, it's, very good to help support the small business. Ayan pala yung name. If ever nasa Melbourne kayo, Honey plus Sage Bakery. See? Sobrang, niya, creative. Sobrang ganda tingnan. Very yummy tingnan. At pala to siya, $40. Tapos yung delivery is 10. So, $50 O&O. Dito na siya. Thank you, Daddy.
Mom, squeeze it.
Daddy got the worth. Is it $1?
Yeah, no, it's not that. I mean, like, because the cup wasn't got twisting on properly.
Oh, okay. Alright, can you hold it?
A few moments later.
Woohoo! Time check tayo, mga titas and titos. It is now 6 o'clock at night. Bless na mama, nak. Bless mama, Vic. It's 6 o'clock naman. Ba? Shush! Nakapupo ang ating baby girl. At explosion na explosion na naman. It's alright, my love. I love your jumper. There's lots of cats. There's pink, there's yellow, and there's blue. I think whoa. Don't cry for me, Argentina. It's been raining outside, oh. It's very wet. Buti na lang. We got home in time. And Ate Paris is here. Hello, Ate. Have you been a good girl today? Yes. Oh, shush! Cry. Okay. We're in the kitchen. Inilit ko yung niluto ni Daddy Mike last night na pasta, guys. Pasta with tuna. I don't think kung napakita ko to sa vlog ko kagabi kasi parang walang eksaktong closure yung vlog kagabi. But ito yung niluto ni Daddy Mike. So, nagluto na naman siya ng napakarami para, again, very handy sa amin pag nagutom kami. Like ganito, gusto mag-snack lang, ganun. You just grab it from the fridge and then, yan, initin mo. Meron pang mga, I don't know if makita niyo, guys. Ayan, nakaano sa taas. No? Say hi sa tita nakbe. Ay, shush. Say, hi, everyone. Hello, I'm in the kitchen. I'm helping Mama. Yes? Are you helping Mama? Big girl naman ang baby na mo, eh. No? Big girl? Shush. So, ayan, tingnan nyo, diba? Sobrang sarap, guys. Sarap magluto ni Daddy Mike. Walang ha. Hindi bias ba? Nak, no? Does your daddy know how to cook, no? Does your daddy know how to cook? Hmm? Ang beautiful girl ni Mama. Ang beautiful girl ni Mama. Ang mata ni Baby Celine, guys, alam niyo pa, brown. Nak, no? Kay Baby Paris before, sobrang jet black talaga yan kay Baby Paris. But ito sa kanya, mas lighter. Nak, have you got lighter eyes than Ate Paris? Huh? Good girl naman na among baby. Good girl mo na among baby. I love you, anak. I love you very much, Baba.